Let's see what we got today, fellas. See what we got today, fellas. See what we got. Let's see what we got today, fellas. See what we got today. All right. Let's start this session real quick. All right, let's take a look at this, fellas. Let's see what happens. All right, so I'm looking at the 60. So I'm waiting for this to retrace back to these levels down here. I want to be able to see a drop sometime. Um, let's look at QQQs real quick. I want to check the 4 hour timeline because I want to start off with the higher time frame today. And it looks like we could be heading down to this level down here, but looks like there's going to be some resistance, uh, some support somewhere down here. Or let's check out the one hour. We could get support up here somewhere. So let's just see what happens, fella. It's all about it's all a waiting game right now. We just gotta wait. But that's what I want to see. I want to be able to see some support right here. Um, I really don't know what it's gonna do, but let's just try to make some money, whichever way it does go. Let's just make some money. That's it. I don't care if it goes down. I don't care if it goes up. We just want to make some money today. We want to be in profit, so see what happens, fellas. I'm not going to get in anything just yet. I will get in at 5 contracts at a time, though. We will be getting in at 5 contracts, fellas. So let's see what happens. 5 connies, yo, 5 connies. All right, let's switch it back. I want to switch it back to that 1 minute, see if we can catch a little bit, some of it. If it does come down here, if it does come down to these levels, I'm going to enter, and then I'm going to look for a long position. But I want to enter down here, though. I want to be able to enter down here. Let's see what we got, fellas. Let's see what we got. All right, so what I'm seeing right now is I want to be able to see if I'm going to go into a long position, guys. If I'm going to go to a long position, I am going to be looking at these EMAs here. I want to be able to see that this go over the 50 with the 7 and the 21. So I want to be able to see that, and also too, I want to see um, these level restraight these EMAs, these candles go back to the EMAs and let that 7 go over the 21, and then all the way up to that 50. Also too, I want to be able to see the MACDs go over that histogram above that 0, and then have some volume come in and push this thing right on up. That's the only way I'm going to get into longs for today. Or we could, if you want to, you can get real dirty and just use, not really real dirty, but use this trend line here. It's just there for reference. You don't go by trend lines just because it's a trend line. But yeah, just don't go by trend lines, guys. Let's try to make some damn money, guys. See what we do today. See what we do today, fellas. Well, yeah. Let me see how much I got though. All right, let's see, fellas. Let's see what we got today. It's probably gonna still keep continuing down. Let's look at the 15. Yeah, we're still below these levels here. The MACD levels, we're still below, what do you call it? Below the MACD histogram, below that zero into the negatives. So until we see this thing come up, especially on the 3 minute, we want to see that 3 minute. We want to see it come up above these EMAs here, that 7 and that 21. And for confirmation, we want to see it over this 50. And the MACDs to be above zero. So let's see what we do, fellas. Try to make some damn money today. Man, I'm tired. All right, let's see what happens, fellas. I do see a wick on the QQQs at 481.50. I would pay close attention to that 481.50 on the Qs, but also I would be paying attention to that to the level of 475.25 on the Qs. I would pay attention to those levels, guys. Um, so just to make things clear, let's see, give me 1 second. You want to be able you want to be able to look through all the time frames. Look through all the time frames, fellas, and um, and don't miss the story. It, all time frames are telling you the story, guys. All time frames are telling you the story, so pay attention to the story. So I'm just gonna wait here patiently, see what happens. Ugh, I'm not gonna make any moves, not until at least close to market open. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait here patiently, see what happens. Damn, that's crazy. All right, fellas, let's see what happens, baby. Let's get it. See what happens. Let's see what happens, y'all. See what happens, fellas. It might be time to throw these on too. It might be time to throw these on. It might be time to throw these on, fellas. I do want to see an upside movement here soon, or at least between now and 9:30. But we really can't forecast this. We can't really predict this. We got to see that action come in. We got to see these institutions come in and start buying these things up or start selling these things heavily. So, or we got to see some kind of AI movement, some kind of program selling these things off because once you get to a certain level, you get these programs to come in and either start buying them or selling them heavily. So let's see what happens, fellas. If it fails this trend line here and it comes back down, I'm going to try to enter to a long position down here, but I'm not so sure just yet. We just gotta wait and see. I'm gonna follow these EMAs and see what happens from there, and then look at my MACD levels. It is a 5 minute. Um, if this 7 can go over the 21 and to the upside, we could see a reversal to the upside and see if we can see if it breaks this resistance level. If it easily breaks through this, I will be getting into more longs. But if it can't, then we gotta look for retests, and you have to look at your other indicators such as your MACD, stochastics, whichever indicator that you use. Um, yeah, so let's see what happens, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. But yeah, Deckmar. I've seen his stuff before. Wow. All right, fellas. Let's see what we got. What up? What up, Destructor? What's up, baby? Oh gosh, that's funny. Scorpio 9, Simón. I'm actually, you know what? I'm not actually hungry. I want to get some damn McDonald's or something. All right, let's get it, fellas. We got to get back on Warzone. That's right, baby. We got to. Hey, how many are on, Marco? I can't see. How many are on? Yeah, okay. It's all right, man. I'll just be talking. I'll be talking to you. Oh, okay, I got you. All right. All right. All right, cool. Yeah, Warzone later on. All right, I got it. All right, let's get it, fellas. Let's get it. It's not 9:30 yet, but I will be waiting. I will be waiting here. I do want to see some profits. I'll give you 1 second. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Sneeze, sneeze, man. Sneeze. See what we do, fellas. See what we do, fellas. See what we do. See what we do, fellas. Let's see what we do. Oh, I got some water right here. All right. I'm checking out this let's get it. Let's check out the 60-minute. I'm seeing hopefully we can see a bounce off of here. If not, I'm gonna enter down here. So I'm just gonna wait for right now. Let's take a look at that 15. That 15 level, we're still on the downside, so we can still come back up to these EMAs and then still come back down. So let's just see which one happens first. We do want to check out this 1 minute, um, or this 3 minute here. Uh, I will not get into a trade, and especially into a long position, unless I see this thing coming up, the 7 and 20 EMAs going over that 50 and staying in a parallel position. Um, so that's what I'm seeing for the 3 minute. The 1 minute, I want to see I want to see actually a bounce off of these levels here to come up. So you got to watch all your time frames, fellas. You got to watch all your time frames. Watch every one of them because all of them are telling a story. So just be very, very um, pay attention to detail. Pay attention to detail, guys, because that's what's going to get y'all through. That's what's going to get y'all through, guys. Pay attention to detail. Pay attention to all time frames. That's what's going to make y'all money every single day, which is whether it's $1, $2, whatever, $10, $20, 50. You want to be able to be profitable every day. So let's get it, baby. All right, fellas, let's see what happens, fellas. What up? What up? 9 to 5 day trader. What's up? Let's get it. Hey, man, let's make some money today, brother. Let's make some money. Let's make some money today. Let's get it. All right, let's see what we do, fellas. Let's see what we do. See what we do, fellas. All right, we are seeing some movement to the upside, but that's not enough yet. That's not enough. We need to see some actual real movement. So, beach mountain resort. That's pretty cool. I would like to go there. All right, we got that jump. All right, let's see what happens, fellas. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait here for a bit and see what happens. Let's see. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. What the? All right, let's see, fellas. Let's see what we got. See what we got, fellas. I'm looking right now. See if we got anything yet. So we are seeing a movement between that 1 minute and that 3 minute. Also that five. But um, right now this is a 3 minute that we're looking at right now. I want to see that if we can get a really good push to the upside, then I'll get into some longs, to long positions. I'll get into some longs. We might be able to get some here in a minute. All right. All right, let's see what happens, fellas. Ooh, damn, that sucks. All right, we're getting a pullback. All right, fellas, we're about to start. We're about to begin here in a minute. We're about to get in. Um, let's see if we can get a really good push up. Possibly, just depends. We got about 2 minutes and 58 seconds. Let's see what we do. We got 2 minutes, fellas. And remember, Nvidia earnings are coming. All right, let's see. Meta is crash off screen for the week. GS 516, 522, UPST 4449. SMSCI can move on Dell. Dangerous stock, so be careful. Market is going to try to trade up. If the world shipping and energy gets jacked up with war, watch out though. Pay attention to the Middle East, Poland, and Asia. Okay, so all right, that's what we have for today, guys. Let's see what we do. Let's see what we do, fellas. Actually, see, I want to see this thing go up above that 481, uh, 481.45 level for today. Um, see if we can make that happen. 481, guys. I'm gonna keep an eye out on that 1 hour, see what that 1 hour is doing, or actually that 15 minute. I'm gonna keep an eye on that 15. But it looks like we might be coming down, so I'm I might be looking for shorts, guys. It just really depends. It really depends. It really depends on what happens. It really depends on what happens, guys. I am seeing a level at 481.50 for the Qs, and I'm also seeing another level for the SPY at 561.60. 561.60 to the downside. So depending on what SPY does, I'll initiate into a position. But I'm gonna wait till 9:30 hits and then we'll get in. All right, 9:30. It's gonna be 9:30 here in a minute. See what happens, baby. Check out that 1 minute. Watch out on that 1 minute, fellas. Watch out on that 1 minute. Let's see what happens. Watch out on that 1 minute, fellas. All right. We got 11 seconds. There we go. We're in. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. We're in, baby. We're in. Let's see what happens, fellas. Let's see what happens. I want to be able to see this thing go up, but there's no there's no telling. So let's see what happens. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a buy order here and just wait. I'm gonna see what happens, fellas. If it drops, then I'm getting out. If it drops, I'm getting out. If it drops, I'm getting out, fellas. Looks like we could be getting a drop, but we're not so sure yet. But I'm in 5 contracts right now. Let's see what happens. See if this thing can actually come up. That would be nice. I'm at 117, guys. I'm at 117. I'm gonna get out of here. That's just too risky right now. I'm gonna get out. Let's see what happens, fellas. I want to see this thing climb up. I'm in. I'm at 70.65. $90. I'm at 130. Let's go. 155. I'm up 185, 205 for today. I'm up 205 for today. 217, 212. I'll get out at this here. And I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go into some shorts. I'm gonna go into some shorts, guys. It looks like it wants to get into some shorts, so I'm gonna go ahead and get shorts here. I'm gonna get into some shorts, guys. I'll be getting into some shorts all the way up here too as well. Let's see what happens, fellas. See what happens. I'm looking at levels at 560, 561.60. I'm looking at 561.60, guys. See what happens. I'm gonna get into five more here, and I'm gonna put a stop loss right here. Uh, oh gosh, no, I shouldn't do that. Let's look at the five. Yeah, this thing is flipping quick, guys. Hold on, let me see what's going on. All right, so we're looking at levels to the upside. 481.45. 481.45, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and then I'm about to reverse this here in a minute. Let's see if I can get back some of these losses. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna look for some. I'm gonna look for. That's all right. I can take a big hit. I can take a hit. I'm gonna go ahead and put five more here. Come on. Put five more there. I'm at 15. See if we can get this to retrace back a little bit. Just so I can break even. If I can break even, that'll be good. There we go. There we go. There we go, guys. There we go. Come on. Don't wait for it, fellas. Don't wait for it. Just get out. Just get out. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. I'm about to get out of this position, guys. It's just too risky right now. I'm gonna get out here in a minute. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out at $250, guys. I'm out at 250. I'm not gonna risk this trade. This is just terrible. It's terrible. I don't like the way it's going right now. Still consolidating. I am going to be going into shorts. Let's get into some shorts, guys. Let's get into some shorts. Put a stop loss up here or a stop loss all the way up here. But if you want to keep it tight, we can keep it tight here. But I do want to see some shorts, guys. I do want to see some shorts. I'm looking at it at the 5 minute. I'm at 330. I'm at 330, guys. Let's go ahead and take profits while we can. There we go. I'm at 278. I'm at 278. If this thing goes just a little higher, I'll be getting in right there. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm gonna wait. 5 more here. I'm gonna wait, guys. See what happens. Let's take a look at that 15. We still are going to the downside. So I'm gonna wait for this trade, guys. I'm gonna wait for it. Um, Looks like we are going down still, but there's no telling. There's really no telling. So I'm just gonna wait for this trade, guys. Let's see. I'm gonna wait for it to play out. If it does. I'm gonna go ahead and get out. I'm at 317. I'm at 317, guys. I'm gonna get out. These are not really good trades. I don't like the setups. I don't like these setups. Unless I get some kind of confirmation, I'm not gonna get in no more. So I will be getting in down here. Five. 5 contracts. See what happens, fellas. I will be getting in here in a minute for some long positions. All right, let's see. We got a pull back here. Let's get in. Let's get in. Let's see what happens, fellas. I'm gonna get another pullback. We got another pullback. All right, I'm gonna get in that on that 7. So on that 50 on the 3. Getting in. Getting in again. Come on. I just need just a little push. That's it. I'm watching these. I'm about to get out, guys. This is there's too much going on here. I'm about to get out. I'm getting out. I'm at 407, guys. I'm at 407. There's just too much going on right here. There's no real direction. It's just consolidating. The Qs are consolidating right now. They're in a zone right now, so I am not going to get in unless I see some kind of breakout. Um, but looking at this, it looks like I want to get into some shorts, but I'm not seeing anything that's telling me that's it's going to get into shorts. So I'm going to get it. I'm just going to keep on staying into some longs until I see anything, any kind of, let's see. I'm not going to get into anything unless I see some kind of breakout. So, all right, there we go. I'm going to get into some shorts, guys. And I'm going to sell 5 at a time, guys. There we go. Come on. I'm at 400, guys. I'm just going to wait, guys. I'm going to go ahead and get out here. Get out of here. I'm just going to wait, fellas. I'm at 573. 573, fellas. I'm at 573. I'm watching them shorts now, guys. I'm watching them shorts. I want to stay in shorts for a while. I want to stay in those shorts, guys. I want to stay in them shorts, guys. I want to buy more up here. I want to buy some more up here, guys. I'm gonna buy some more up here, fellas. If it does come up here, I will buy some more, guys. I will buy some more. I'm up $600. I'm up 590. I'm up. I'm gonna start selling. I'm gonna start scaling out one contract at a time. One contract at a time, just to make sure that I keep my profits, fellas. I'm gonna start scaling out again here in a minute. I do want to see these shorts come in. I do want to see these shorts come in. So let's see if we can get a little breakout to the downside. SPY is looking like it's going to that 561.75, 561.50, 561.25. QQQs looks like it wants to break down to that 475.50, 475, 476.50, 476.25, 476 even, guys. That's what I do see right now. So let's just see what happens. I'm at 643. 643, fellas. I'm gonna go ahead and let's see. Let's go ahead and start getting out. So I'm here in one, two. I do want to see these shorts come in, guys. I do want to see these shorts. So if it comes back up again, I'm gonna get into more positions, guys. I want to get into more positions. I do want to see these shorts. There we go. I want to get into some more. I will be getting to more up here. Come on. I want to see the shorts come through. There we go. There we go, fellas. There we go, fellas. We're getting that good drop. There we go. 225. I'm at $804. 747. Um, 747, fellas. 747, fellas. I do want to see some shorts. These shorts come in. There we go. I'm at 800. Let's make it to 1,000, and then let's just call it a day. Let's call it a day at 1,000, okay? Let's see what happens, baby. Let's get it. Wow, look at that 30, guys. That 30 looks good. I will not be getting into any long positions unless I see the Stochastics crossover on the 1 minute. If I see that Stochastic crossing over on the 1 minute, then I will be going to that side. So let's see what happens, fellas. Let's see if we can get that 1 minute to cross over, and then yeah. All right. So as it keeps going down, fellas, I am going to be adding to more to this position, going down. I am seeing the SPY coming back down to 460, 175, 460, 150, 460, 125, guys. Also, too, I do see this level at 477, 476.50, 476 even to the downside. Um, see what happens, baby. Let's get it. I'm at $807, 794. Let's get it. I'm gonna stick in this trade, guys. All right, I'm gonna wait for it to come back up. I want to see it hit that 50. I mean that 7. I want to see it hit that 7, and then we'll still look, fellas, fellas. I'm staying in this trade, guys. I'm staying in this trade. I'm not getting out. I'm staying in this trade, fellas. I'm all in. I'm all in, guys. I'm all in. 478.50. Is that 478.50, guys? Let's see what happens, fellas. Let's see what happens. I'm at $934. 919, 857. I'm gonna hold on to this trade, guys. I'm gonna hold on to this trade. We might be able to hit, if you're looking at that 2 hour, we might hit that 50 EMA. So I'm gonna wait till I get that 50, and then once it hits that 50, um I will be reversing this. If it does hit that 50 and it bounces off, I will be getting be reversing this. But right now, I'm just chilling, guys. I'm gonna hold on to this position, guys. We're watching this 10 here. Let's see if we can get a breakout out of this these levels here. This is the 10 minute. I'm looking at the 2 hour. See if we can get a breakout, guys. See if we can get a breakout, fellas. See if we can get a breakout, fellas. See if we can get a breakout. Yep, I see it. I'm up 900. I'm up 1,000 now. I'm up 1,000. I don't see no reversal just yet, guys. I don't see no reversal, so I'm gonna wait. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna add to this position here. I'm gonna add to this position. Let's see. Let's just wait for a pullback, just a little pullback. I'm gonna wait for a little pullback, and then I'll. I'm gonna wait for a little pullback, then I'm gonna add some more positions here. So let's just wait for a pullback here. I'm gonna wait for a pullback. I'm gonna wait for a pullback, guys. I'm gonna wait for a pullback. Let's wait for a pullback, guys. Let's wait for a pullback. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna start taking some. Well, nah, I'll just wait. It's all right. I can wait. I can wait. I'm gonna wait till it hits that 21. I'm gonna go ahead and enter here. That's all right. I'm gonna keep holding, guys. I'm gonna keep holding, guys. I'm gonna keep holding, guys. Let's go back to that 3. There we go. Come on. Keep coming down, baby. Let's get it. All right. I think I'm gonna reverse it here, guys. And I'm gonna put a stop loss. I'm gonna keep it tight right here. Actually, just adding 2 more. Come on. Oof. Yeah, that got to me right there. I'm out. I'm back down to 170, guys. That was dumb. That was dumb. I'm back down. I'm still in profits, though. I'm still in profits. I'm not. You shouldn't do that. You shouldn't do that. So, let's see what happens, fellas. I'm gonna go ahead and get in here. Actually, you know what? I'm actually gonna hold it here. I think we're getting to a very crucial area here. So I'm gonna hold this position. I'm gonna add more. I'm gonna add more to this position here. I'm gonna add more. There we go. Move it up to the upside, guys. I'm at 308, 308, 200. There we go. 348. 308, guys. There we go. I sold 5. I'm at 308. If it does reverse back, I'm going to add some more. So let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. All right, I'm at 256, fellas. I'm at 256. I'm going to cut. I'm cutting. All right, I'm at 203. I just cut, guys. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for a reversal. If it does drop down more, I'm going to get in. And I'll get in more at the bottom here if it does. There we go. Come on. I'm at 296, guys. There's no reversal yet, guys. There's no reversals. And take profits while you can. I'm out. I'm not going to play those games today. I'm at 247, guys. I'm going to wait. I'm going to enter into 10 contracts here in a minute. I want to see this thing move to the upside just a little bit. Come on. Come on. Come down just a little bit. Come down just a little bit. Let's get it. I'm going to wait, guys. I'm going to wait, fellas. I'm waiting. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait, fellas. I'm going to wait. I'm going to get in some more on the bottom. I'm just going to wait. Thing is, it's just keep coming back. I don't like this area here. It likes this area. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I don't like this. I don't like this setup at all. So I'm just going to get out. Let's see if we can get a reversal here soon. I will be getting in once the candles go over that 7. So let's just wait, fellas. Let's wait. Let's see what they have. I'm going to wait till this drops just a little bit more and then I'll get into some longs. I am seeing shorts right now, so um, possibly get into some shorts. But right now, I'm seeing this as a I see a long position here soon. So guys, just watch out. Just be careful.
We're at that range right now. There we go. We're at that range on that 5 on that I'm going to get into some more here in a minute. I'm getting out of there we go. I'm going to buy in some more here in a minute. I'm going to buy some more here in a minute. It keeps coming down. There we go. I'm up $408, guys. I'm at 408. Let's see if we can keep this. If let's see if this can actually
If this can actually hold. I want to see this thing hold. I'm at $448. So let's see if this can hold, guys. I want to catch that bottom. I want to catch that bottom just right it to the top. Catch that bottom. If it can hold this, that would be great. If it can hold it, if I can at least, if I can make $1,000 today, that would be good. That would be very swell. It might bounce off of this 7 here, but let's take a look at higher time frames. All right, so it can come up to this level here and then bounce back on down. So just pay attention to all your time frames, guys. Pay attention to all the time frames. That's going to tell you the full story. That's going to tell you the whole entire story, guys. So pay attention to your time frames. There we go. I'm up 558. I'm up 558, guys. 578. All right. Trade the EMAs and the MAC and the MACDs. All right. You use all indicators, not all of them, but just use the indicators that you have and perfect them. Perfect those indicators, change the settings, perfect them, and you'll be profitable. All right, so I'm gonna stay in this one for a bit. Let's see what happens. I gotta take a look at the cues real quick. So I'm gonna stay in here. If I see any kind of reversal, I want to see it on that 1 minute. I want to see that 7 cross over to 21 and be above that 50. Or actually, yeah, be above that 50. I want to see that 7 cross that 21. So, or on the MACD, if you get a crossover on the MACD at the same time with your stochastics, then that could be a really good sign of reversal on the 1 minute. So just pay attention to those guys. Pay attention. Pay attention, fellas. I'm about to get out here of this position. I'm not seeing any kind of if it drops, if it drops in that on that 1 minute, if it drops below this level here, let's say around here, then I'm getting out. But if not, I'm gonna hold this. Once I reach $1,000, that's gonna be it for today, guys. That's gonna be it. I'm not gonna play those games today. I'm gonna go ahead and start chopping down some. One. I'm gonna take down two. Let's runners. Let some runners. Let some runners. If it goes below this wick here, I'm out. If it goes below this wick here, I'm out. And then I'll be getting back in for a long position. I'll be getting in for a long position. If it goes below this wick, I'm out. So let's put a sell stop order right here. I don't know why it does that. If it goes below that wick right there, I'm getting out. So If it goes below that wick, I'm getting out, fellas. I don't care. I don't care if it goes below it. At least I know I'll be in profits. I'm on 563. 563, fellas. There we go. All right. 536. I'm on 536. All right. I'm getting in now. Go ahead and get in early. All right, so they crossed over, so I'm gonna go ahead and get in. I'm gonna go ahead and get in. Why is it doing 16? Let's just sell one. Let's sell one to make it even. Oh, do two more. Bam, bam. Once it breaks even, I'm gonna get out. If it does break even, I'm gonna get out. I'm getting out of this trade. It's a lot of power going to the downside, guys. I'm not liking it. I'm gonna risk just $1,000, guys. I'm just gonna risk 1,000. That's it. That's it. Oh gosh. Oh wow. Wow, that's crazy, guys. I'm gonna add two more here. I'm gonna be adding more positions down here, guys. I'm gonna be adding more positions down here. I'm gonna be adding more positions down here if it does come down here, guys. I'm seeing levels at 474.85, 474.85, guys. 474.85. I want to keep adding to this position. I want to see a bounce off of this area here. I want to see a bounce off of here, guys. So I want to stay in this position here. I want to see a bounce off this area here. Come on. Keep coming down. Let's go. Let's see it. Let's see. Let's see what happens, guys. I want to see this. I want to see this level right here, and I'm gonna get into 30 more contracts down here. 36. I want to see it down here, guys. I want to see this here. I'm gonna put all positions right here. I'm gonna put all positions down here, guys. I'm gonna put all the positions down here. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm waiting until this comes down to this level here, guys. Come on. It's already 10:04, guys. It's already 10:04. I'm gonna be off at 11 o'clock though, but if this trade hasn't gone up yet, I'm gonna keep the trade open. I want to see this thing bounce off of these levels here. I want to see it come down here so I can add some more. I want to see it come down here. I'm gonna add more positions here. Come on. Keep going down. Let's go. Come on. Let's do come on, guys. See what we do, fellas. I want to see this thing come right here and bounce off of this level here. I want to see it bounce off this level here. If not, these areas right here. I want to see it bounce off and hit that uh that 21 on the 1 minute, hit the 21, or at least to that 50. So that 50 would be the 7 on the 5. Or let's see, let's look at the 5. The 7 on the 5. I want to see it hit that 7 on that 5. See what we do, guys. I want to see it hit that 7 on that 5. I want to see it hit that 7 on that 5. I want to see it hit that 7 on the 5, fellas. I want to see it hit that 7 on that 5, fellas. Let's just wait, see what happens. Let's look at this 60 real quick. I want to see it hit this level and see if we can come back up. See what happens, fellas. We do have that. If you're looking at the 4 hour, we do have that 50 right at 473.43, guys. 473.43. We do have that 50 there, so it could bounce off of there. It could bounce right off of there. We just have to wait and see. I'm gonna go in with 100 contracts here in a minute. 100. About to go in. About to go in with some more contracts here in a minute. See if we can break. If we can break even, that'd be cool. That would be great. Let's just let's see what happens, fellas. I want to start adding more positions down here, especially in this level here. I want to add more positions in this level here, guys. I'm gonna start adding more positions down here. I'm gonna start adding more positions, fellas. I'm gonna start adding more positions. Come on, just come down just a little bit more. Don't go up just yet. Come on, give me some more. There we go. I think we might be seeing a reversal here, guys. So, I think we're seeing a reversal here, guys. I think we're seeing a reversal here, guys. Just wait. Let's just see what happens. Come on, if it comes down just a little bit more. Getting in more. Come on. 98. I'm going to get in with just 2 more contracts to make it even. 100 contracts. And then let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, fellas. Come on. This reversal. I think this could be a reversal, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and get into to make it 100. There we go. Let's see what happens, guys. We need that big push. We need a big push here. We need a big push here, guys. We need a better one than that. Come on. All right, so the 1 minute crossed over. I want to see this thing push all the way up to that 21 on the 1 minute, and then above that 50. If we can even if we just touch that 50, then that'll be great. That'll be really great. That'll be great. Even if we just touch that 50, that'll be great. So, come on, baby, let's get it. Ugh! Even if we break that break even, I'll get out slowly. So let's see what happens, fellas. I'm just staying in here. I'm staying in here for a bit, guys. I'm not gonna get out. I'm not gonna get out just yet. I'm gonna wait. Let's get it. I'm up, guys. I'm up. Not for long though. Oh gosh, come on. I'm up. Actually, I'm actually up 500 bucks right now. 900, 1,000. I'll get out of 50 right here. So sell stop. A sell order of 50. I'm gonna take half right to the top. I'm gonna take half at the top. I'm gonna take half out on the top. See what happens. I should have. I should have just taken those profits right there, guys. Should have taken those profits. Actually, I can actually get into 50 more right down here, right at this level here, but I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait because I can see this thing reversing. I'm gonna wait. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna set these all the way up here. I'm gonna set that all the way up there. And then I'm just gonna set this. I'm gonna set 50. I'm gonna set 50 right here. So if it goes below here, I'm gonna set 50 right there. But we're getting close. We're getting close to those levels on the 60 minute. We're getting close to these levels right here. So I want to be able to see if we can catch a reversal to the upside. I'm gonna go ahead and just add another one here, right here. And then if I have to, if it does go below this level here, I'm gonna add some more. But I do want to be able to catch this move to the upside though. If we can get that movement up. I'm just waiting, fellas. I'm waiting. I think we're in this range. We're in this range already, so we're in this range. Look at that range. We're in that range already. Um I'm looking at that 4 hour. We're coming up to that 50 on the 4 hour, so we're coming on that 50 on the 4 hour. So I want to see this thing move back up. So I'm probably gonna add if it goes to here, I'm gonna add 50 more. So I'm gonna buy 50 here, buy 50 and sell limit. That's what I'm seeing as of right now. See what's going on in the world. Huh. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. Oh, wow. I did not see that. I was not paying attention, guys. Oh shit. This thing is going to keep going down all the way. If you're looking at SPY right now, SPY, it looks like it's going to go down to 558.50, guys. That's crazy. 558.50. 558.50. That's crazy. Jesus. See what happens. 474, 470. I was looking at those 477s. On that 4 hour, we're getting to that 50, guys. On the 4 hour, we're getting to that 50. I should have taken profits when I was up here. When it was up here, guys. Spam detected and incoming blocked. Due to transportation, UPS. Oh my gosh, these people won't leave me alone. Hmm. Damn, that's crazy, guys. Look at that shit. That's crazy. So that means that this is not valid anymore. We're almost on that 50 on the QQQs. We're almost to that 50. I want to see what happens. I want to see what happens on that 50. See if we can get a bounce back up. We're almost touching that 50, guys, on the 4 hour. Almost touching that 50 on the 4 hour, guys. Let's add 100 more. That's crazy. That's crazy, guys. That's really crazy. All right, it touched that 50. Jesus. Dang, good thing this is not a real count, man. Shit. I'm just trying to test something. Trying to test my strategies, which it does work, but the thing is that whenever you actually don't listen to your own strategy, it kind of bites you in the ass. So, let's see what we do. That's crazy, guys. This is ridiculous, man. I can't even listen to my own strategies. Jeez. I want to see a bounce back up though. We did reach that 50 on the 4 hour, so see what happens, fellas. Come on. Will this push back up? Are we getting a reversal? It looks like it. You're looking at that 1 minute. We want to see that 1 minute cross over the 21, the 7 crossing over the 21 to go to the upside and above that 50. That's what you want to see on the 1 minute. So if it can do that and hold it, then you know I can see this thing running up. But drops like these, man, are so ridiculous. I swear, drop like those are ridiculous, guys. They really are. But we okay. So on the 1 minute, you want to be able to see that. Um, On the 1 minute, you want to see this 7 cross above this 21 to go to the upside and cross over that 50. That's what you want to see. Let's see what happens, fellas. I think we can get the opportunity to see that before 11. I will be getting off at 11 though. There it goes again with that bullshit. Needs that push up though. Looks like that SPY wants to go down to that 558 level. So let's see what happens. 558. All right. On the 1 minute, that 7 needs to cross over that 21. I want to see that 7 cross over the 21 for the upside. This right here. This 7 needs to cross this 21. All right. Let's see what we do, fellas. Let's see. It looks like we are having a reversal. Um, we just gotta have that push to the upside, guys. That's really it. It's just that push. I want to see that 7 cross over the 21. That's what I want to see. I want to see that 7 cross over the 21 and then above the 50 on the 1 minute. So if we can get that, then that'll be cool. Mm. The 7 is going up to that 21, guys. The 7 is going up to that 21. Let's see if it crosses and holds. And the MACD levels, we're still on the bottom side, so I can still see this thing keep going down from here, but see what happens. That's crazy. See what happens, fellas. I'm thinking this can disconnect. I think this thing can go back up. If we can get that good push up, then I think we can. I mean, we are, if you're looking at the MACDs on the 1 minute, there is a spacing between the MACD and the signal line, and the stochastics is pointing to the upside, which is close to its top, but it doesn't matter. Like that don't matter at all because on the 3 minute, it's on the spot, it's on the bottom. The stochastic is at the level of close to 20, and we need that thing to go up to 80. See what happens, fellas. going back to VWAP, guys, at 476.78 and 562.47 for SPY. So back to VWAP is 476.75. 476.75 and for SPY 462.46, guys. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start scaling out here. See if it can hop on up to here on that 50 right here. We'll get out on this 50. We'll get out on that 50. Seriously? It can't go just a little bit higher? What the heck? Jeez. Alright. Well, looks like we still can get that push up, so let's just see what happens, fellas. I can still see that push up. Let's do 250. Hmm. I need to seriously stop being stubborn like that. I seriously need to stop being stubborn like that. Let's look at the 15 seconds, fellas. Let's look at the 15-second. Hmm. Look at that 15 seconds, fellas. Trying to hold this level here. Okay. Well, I gotten on the bottom, guys. I did get to the on this bottom here, but let's see what happens. See what happens, fellas. I'm gonna hold on to this position. All right, guys. So I am ending the stream. Um, I've had a very big downfall here, but um, we are up 3,479 out of whatever I had here earlier. Uh, let's see. I was testing out this sim account here for seeing what was going on with the EMAs and the MACDs, but tomorrow I will be getting onto a live account. So this is what I'm seeing right now. I'm seeing this upside movement. I'm looking at the 3 minute here. We had a reversal here. Um, we're still looking for a downside movement. If this keeps it up, so right here on the 30 minute, you can see that we have this huge wick right here. All that needs to cover soon. So I want to see a nice pull back up and then a pull all the way back down, possibly. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get off. I'm gonna close this position out. 3,131 with 50 cents. I'm gonna go ahead and close this out, and I'm ending the stream, and I will catch y'all tomorrow. Um, just for reference only, follow your follow your I would say follow your strategies. Really follow your strategies and do not discard them or anything. Follow the rules, be disciplined, learn risk management, and don't get in. All right, you're not trying to get rich here tomorrow. You're trying to be profitable. You're trying to let's say you're trying to pocket those $2, right? You walk by on the street and whatnot, you see $1, you pick it up, you put it in your pocket. You know, and you keep doing it more and more. I mean, if that was the case, you eventually you'll have more to play with. So, um, just be smart about your entries. You look at all your technical
Check all your time frames and just make sure that um,
that everything make a plan between everything is based off of this is one, two, and three. I need to make sure this is it here. I need to make sure that this falls into place in order for it to do this. So just have a checklist in hand and y'all should be good. Don't do what I do. Follow your rules. But tomorrow we will be going on to a live account, and we will be messing with only 5 contracts. That's it. So, all right, fellas, I will catch y'all later, and I will see y'all tomorrow. I will not be on Wednesday, so yeah, so I will not be on Wednesday. I have stuff to do, but I will see y'all Thursday. All right, guys, I will be on later on tonight at let's say 7 o'clock. I